Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and share your video clips on YouTube on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing we want to do is go up to settings right here, and then go on down to where it says users and accounts. Now under here, there should be an option for linked services. We can go on over to YouTube and sign in with our email address and password with our YouTube account. Once we have our YouTube account linked right here, it'll be very easy to share your video clips. So let's go over to the media gallery. Should be under game library, media gallery. Open this up. This is where you're going to see your video clips. Now choose your video clip you want to share. So I got some Battlefield 4 footage right here. So I just have to press options on it. And there should be an option to share this. So watch this video clip. I get destroyed by that guy somehow, even though I'm like, shoot him in the head. So press options on the video clip and then go to share. Now your YouTube channel should automatically be linked in here, so you can just select it. And then enter in your information. So we can change the title. And the cool thing is it says speak into your microphone. So if I turn on my headset and I just start speaking into the microphone, it should just automatically put this as the title. So let's try this out right now. See if this works. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the YouTube video. All right, and it didn't work. So I don't know, test it out for yourself and see if this works. Something went wrong. Okay. So just use the microphone option right here and it should work. Sometimes it doesn't. Now you can go to the description and do the same thing. You can start talking. Then you can add tags if you want and then set the privacy to public, unlisted, or private. And then you can upload. And then you can select multiple clips right here. Or just change the clip. And then go to upload and that'll be on your YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel that I use pretty much just for clips. Let me delete this. And then I'll come up with an actual title. So let's say me playing Battlefield and missing every one of my shots. Yep, good enough. And then go to upload. And then it's going to be sent to my uploads folder. And then it should be on YouTube in no time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.